Open Device Manager from your desktop and look under Ports. You will see SS-USB RS422 Serial Communications Converter Board. Right-click that, and then click Properties. And then click Port Settings at the top. Change the bits per second to 57,600 and click Advanced, and change the COM port number to 2 and then click OK. And then click OK here, and then you will unplug your USB cable going from the computer to the machine. You can either unplug it from the computer or from the machine, either one. Keep it unplugged for about 10 or 15 seconds. After about 10-15 seconds, you'll plug it back in. You'll see it come back up there. And then close the device manager and wait about 10 seconds and then start the 3D Xtreme software. If the machine detects that your tracer is down, it'll ask you to please lift tracer. So go ahead and do that and then click retry. The machine should move and the status will read motion board detected. That's all.